Hello to all. Here I am going to explain about the ion exchange process, which is also called as demineralization process, also called as a deionization process. So water obtained from the zeolite process, which contains the sodium ions. Okay, boiler free water as far as possible should be free from all the types of the impurities. Such a water quality can be obtained by the demineralization or deionization process. Demineralized water is soft and it does not contain any dissolved salts. In this process, the ion exchange resins are used as a softener. Okay, ion exchange resins are insoluble, cross-linked, long-chain organic polymers with the microporous structure. Functional groups are attached to the polymer chain are responsible for the ion exchanging property. So in this process there are the two types of the synthetic ion exchanger resins are used. The first one, cation exchange resin, it is also called as cation exchanger. Similarly second, that is anion exchange resin, it is called as a anion exchanger. So let's see the first one, cation exchange resin. So this resin containing the acidic functional group, it removes the hardness causing cations from the hard water, and in the exchange reaction it gives the H plus ions. So it is represented as capital RH2, and on saturation regeneration of this resin can be easily occur by using the acidic, that is HCl solution. So come to the second resin, that is anion exchanger. So anion exchanger resin, it containing the basic functional group. It removes all the anions from the hard water. Then in the exchange reaction it gives OH minus ions. It is represented as capital ROH twice. And on saturation regeneration can be easily occur for this resin also by using the alkaline solution, that is NaOH. Okay, so what is the principle of this process? When water containing dissolved salts is passed through the cation exchanger, so it exchange all the cations in the water with the H plus ions from the resin. Water is then passed through the anion exchanger where it exchanges all the anions in the water with the OH minus ions from the resin. The water which become free from the cations, both the ions like cations as well as the anions. Okay, and therefore we get here the mineral water. So these are the resin reactions. Okay, come to the diagram. So this is a diagram for this process. Okay, so which are the construction and working points? So this plant, this ion exchange plant, it is consist of the three steel tanks, and all these three steel tanks are interconnected by using the pipes. The tank 1 containing cation exchanger bed, whereas the second tank containing anion exchanger bed or resin, and third tank, that is a degasifier. Okay, so how it work? So just add here the hard water, which is raw water, in the water inlet from the upper side of the first tank over the cation exchanger bed. Okay, so it removes all the hardness causing cations. Then same water it is allowed to pass in a second tank which contains the anion exchanger, which removes the anions from the hard water. Now this water it is free from the cations as well as the anions. Then it is allowed to pass to the third steel tank, that is a degasifier, which removes the gaseous impurity from the water, and we get here the pure, that is mineral water, by using the ion exchange process. So which are the advantages? This method it is applicable for the highly acidic or alkaline water. Second, the water which is obtained by the deionization process, it possesses very low hardness, about 0 to 2 ppm. Okay, then the deionized water is suitable for the high pressure boilers. No formation of any PPT taking place here. On saturation regeneration can be easily occur. So these are the advantages. Which are the disadvantages? The equipment it is very costly, and the chemicals used are expensive. Okay, and second, the water with the high turbidity cannot be used for this method. So this is all about the principle, then resin, then reactions, then the process and plant, along with the advantages and disadvantages for ion exchange method. I will stop here. Thank you.